Hi guys, my name is Sahil and welcome to NetShow Academy. This is our first video in NetShow Academy series, and today we will show you how to make a logo. So what we have to do is we have to go to the canva.com website and then we have to choose our template. So the funda is, I'll tell you one thing, that I'm using the Canva Pro version first, and because in the Canva Pro there are many obviously plus things are there. I'll show you step by step what is the main things in the Canva Pro version. So first we have to choose the template. So the template we are going to use today for logo only. So we have clicked on logo, and then they are showing us which template which design you want to choose. We will not choose anything, we will choose in the main editing screen, which is here. We go to the main screen, and now they are showing us many templates: gaming badge, art design, fashion logo, band logo, computer, education, and there are many again, but we will choose now right away. So we want to make this short and simple and easy. Automatic is okay, it's fine. We'll go for this. This is the logo, this is the template actually. So if you will see this, everything is going together. What we have to do is we have to ungroup this first, which is this option. You can make it group and you can make it ungroup as well. So we want to delete this this thing we don't need the background color like that. We can again select this thing and change the background color, which will not move anymore. Now this is not the object anymore. So what we have to do, we have to change the element, we have to delete the element. To delete the element we have to select this. After selecting, we will delete this, and then we will double click on this and change the name to NetShow. NetShow is obviously our channel name, so we are putting it here, and we are going to change the color. Actually I have already saved my channel color. So these are my two channel colors. So the main color is red. The main in the sense net is only red, and select the show. After this, show is dark red. So this is the net show. Okay, you will not see that so many differences there, but yeah, if you are going to choose a background white, then you will see here. So okay, let it be white only then. So net show, we don't want this logo, so we will delete this logo and directly we will go to the element. So this is the text. We will make sure this is in the center all the time, and we are going to the element option is here. We have selected the element option and we are going to search for the element. Show Academy, we are ACDMY Academy is here. So we will choose the element for NetShow Academy today, as this is our NetShow Academy series and this is our first video. So obviously we are choosing the NetShow Academy element. Okay, I don't see yet. Yeah, this is much better. See, this is the NetShow Academy element now, as we have choose this. So we will make it shorter, bigger. You can choose this thing. The best part in Canva is everything is on your click. So you can make it smaller also like this, and this is the white point. You can select this by a single click and can make it shorter and bigger as well, but I'll keep it smaller, so it will be perfect for the NetShow Academy logo. So this is the NetShow Academy logo. If you wanna choose the different color for the background, you can choose, but I'll make it group first. So here I'll make it group. So both are together now. Wherever you don't have to select both all the time. Just click on the one and it will move together. So I'll make it sure that this is in the center. Center is in the sense when you are keeping in the center, it will very helpful for the YouTube logo and the Facebook logo or Instagram logo. It will always show you in the center. You don't have to change all the time the directions, So okay, the logo is here, but what I'm gonna do is now, oh yeah, I show you first. If we want to change the color, background color, for the background color you have to select the background and then go for the color option. You can choose the background color also, there and there, but I'll keep it in white because this element looks nicer in the white only. So then after this we will just close this window, so it will be like this. And then animate, I want to show you, once you have done your logo, you can also show this thing with the animation, like just wait. Now I'll choose the drift one, it's better. So drift will be like this, stomp will be like this, pop will be like this, baseline will be like this, and neon. I like the neon one all the time, but this will not match with our Academy playlist. This is much better. Or pop is also fine. Okay, let it be pop. So here you can change the animation timing. So I will always keep a 3 second, because 3 second is enough for the people to see to read the our text, to read our channel name and to see the logo. So 3 is enough, because 5 will be little longer, because the animation when you are going to use, obviously you are going to use in the front of your video or in the center, so it should not be so long, the length should not be so long. So we will keep it shorter. This is our logo for today, and we want to download now, so we will go for the download option. And then now you can see, as you can see, there are many types of files: JPEG, JPG, PNG, PDF print, SVG, MP4 video. MP4 video is obviously if you want to make it video, if you want to convert it into video, but we are not going to make it video because we want the logo file. So we will select the PNG and we'll make sure this is in the size is very good, 1500 to 1500, and we will make sure this is the transparent background is the background is transparent, So this option you will see in only Canva Pro version. So then we will click on the download, and here you go with the preparing your design. Good friends, good books, and a sleepy, sorry I was late. So here you go. Change the name. Netshow Academy logo. So the PNG file will be, just put it on Netshow desktop and then just save it. Just download it, just open the file. Here you go. The background is like this, but if you want to choose, if you will put it on your YouTube channel or somewhere, it will show you white or black. It depends on the the dark mode or light mode. It will like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment box. Do share this video as much as you can with the people who really want to know how to make a logo and who are the beginners. We will keep uploading these types of videos in our Netshow Academy playlist. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.